Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathPractice123.
Math Practice number 123. Today we're going to learn about multiplying by 5. You excited?
Yeah.
For that?
Yeah.
Do you know how to multiply some numbers by 5?
Yeah, I know 5 times 5 is 25.
Oh, good. Anything else?
4 times 5, 20.
4 times 5 is 20. Good job. Okay, so we've talked about how to multiply by 2. We've talked about how to divide by 2. We've talked about how to multiply by 4. How do you multiply by 4?
2 times 2.
You multiply it times 2 times 2. So if I want to do 5 times 4, well, funny, we're talking about 5, but I would do 5 times 2 times 2, because 4 is 2 times 2. So 5 times 2 is?
Is 10.
10 times 2 is?
20.
Good job. Okay, so today we're going to learn a fun little way to think about multiplying by 5. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we've also learned how to multiply by 10. I forgot about that. Alright, so multiplying by 5. So we're going to do, let's start with 7 times, or how about 6 times 5? And you may know what 6 times 5 is already, do you?
30.
30, okay. But that's alright. What we're going to do is we're going to say 6 times 5 equals 6 times 10 divided by 2. Which is 6 times 10 divided by 2. Now what is 6 times 10?
It's 60.
And what is 60 divided by 2?
30.
30. Now, this isn't always easier. You may have already known that 6 times 5 was 30. But sometimes it's easier. Let's do 16 times 5. Whoa! Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 16 times 5. So we'll do our little procedure and we'll say this is equal to 16 times 10 divided by 2.
16 times 10 is 160.
Which is 160 divided by 2. And what is 160 divided by 2?
Well, it's 80.
80. Very good. Alright, now you pick a number that will multiply by 5.
How about 9 times 5?
9 times 5? Okay, that's fine. 9 times 5. Okay, so our procedure says this is going to equal what?
9 times 10 divided by 2.
9 times 10 divided by 2. And what is 9 times 10?
90.
90. So we have to figure out 90 divided by 2 now.
45.
How'd you figure that out?
Well, you do 45 is just 40. Well, 45 plus 45. You take the 40s, add them together, you get 88. 5 plus 5 is 10. 80 plus 10 is 90.
There you go. Okay, so this is 45. Good job. And let's do one kind of tricky one. How about 23 times 5? Oh! Is it too hard?
No.
No? Okay. Let's see. 23 times 5. 23 times 5 is the same as 23 times 10 divided by 2. What is 23 times 10?
It is 230.
230.
So that means
divided by 2. And let's see if we can figure this out.
115.
What? How'd you figure that out?
I thought of it.
You thought of it?
Mm-hmm.
It just came down through the air like lightning and went bzzz.
Yeah.
What did you think about to do it?
Well, 100 plus 100 is 200, and 15 plus 15 is 30.
Okay, so this is 100, because 100 plus 100 gets you the 200. And plus 15, because 15 plus 15 gets you the 30. So this has to be 115. Alright, good job. So we just learned an easy way to multiply by 5. And what is it?
You do 10 divided by 2.
Instead of multiplying by 5, we multiply by 10 and then divide by 2. Good job.